When I was a kid, I remember my dad used to make the most awesome French dip sandwiches. And I always said that one day I would make a French dip sandwich that was that good. Enjoy this sous vide pot roast and French dip sandwich. Here are the spices you'll need for the dry rub. Rub this all on your top round or rump roast. Drizzle some olive oil to help it stick. Over high heat using cast iron or ceramic, sear the meat on all sides until very well browned. Plop this into a sous vide bag, add some Worcestershire sauce, and some Dijon mustard. Vacuum and seal. With your immersion circulator set at 134 degrees Fahrenheit, submerge the meat for about 9 to 10 hours. When you're halfway through the cooking cycle, prepare the garlic confit. We're going to add some thyme, fresh rosemary, a head of garlic cloves peeled, and some extra virgin olive oil. Pop that puppy in the oven at 250 degrees for 2 hours. This is how it should look when it's done. Strain the garlic from the oil and discard the herbs. When the pot roast is ready, take it out of the bag. Voila! That is a beautiful pot roast right there. Strain all the juices from the bag and reserve the juice. Cut the baguette into slices to form your sandwich. Brush the slices with the garlic oil and toast them in a pan until golden brown. Slice the roast into thin slices. Add some more Dijon mustard. Scrape a few of those cloves of garlic confit using a butter knife to spread the garlic. Add the slices of pot roast and sprinkle a bit of sea salt to all the exposed cuts of meat. Add some provolone slices or any cheese that suits your fancy and melt them under a broiler, or if you're fancy schmancy like me, use a blowtorch. Just don't burn the house down. Voila, au jus. Dad, I wish you were here to share this with me. That's good.